Why shall we use pure peroxide along with hydrogen peroxide? Well, first of all, it would be a very nice rule to be respected to disinfect the ambient, and the ambience where we live, we work, we share emotions, food, or anything else every day, because infections happen. It's not just the emergency that is actually ruling on top of us, saying you need to clean and disinfect your environment. We shall do it, full stop. But considering the emergency, of course, Moduline has been very quick and flexible to understand that the world we are actually involved with, HoReCa world, so hotels, restaurants, and all that matter, and also social world, we understood that this was something it would have changed our habits, our customs, and the way we live around the world. So we wanted to create something that was, first of all, simple to use, efficient, and safe. Also not only towards, let's say, human beings, but also towards nature.